Hello, class. I'm excited to show you how to use Google Classroom today. So the first thing that I want you to do is go ahead and log into Clever using your student ID and then the @ sign dallasisd.org. And you know the password is capital D, SI, the @ sign 16 and 17. And so once you log in, your account should look like this. I'm going to scroll down and look for the Google Classroom, which looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and put a heart on this one so that as I'm scrolling, I kind of know that, hey, that's one of my favorite ones and it'll be easier for you to find. I click it, and as you click it, it's going to instantly log you into your Google Classroom. And if you have not signed up for your other classes that you need to be signed up for, please reach out to one of your teachers so that we can give you the code. We have also posted the codes inside of Class Dojo. And again, if you do not have the codes for your math class, please be sure to reach out to either Mr. Fenwick or myself. Even if you don't have it for reading, just let us know and we'll get that squared away for you. So I'm going to use my class to show you what to do, but everything that I'm showing you how to do, you're able to do in the other classes. So I'm going to click it. And so as you see right here, you have all of these different notifications. Well, it's just like on Facebook or like you would get on Instagram, and you could see all the different activity that's been going on. But the easiest way to look at that is when you click on classwork. And I bucketed the assignments for you. So it says social studies, writing, and if you scroll down, it'll say reading. So notice how these two are light gray. It's because an assignment has been submitted for these two, but these ones that are a little bit darker, that means that this student still needs to complete those assignments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on an assignment. And once I do that, I can click view assignment here. And now that I have it opened up, here are the instructions. So I know that I'm supposed to read this story and answer the following questions on a Word document. So once I click this, it will open up for me, and then I can read the story just like so. Okay. And so notice how I have the two questions here. I can respond to these questions two different ways. So my favorite way is you can click add or create. You scroll down to docs. This is what I meant by Word document. So once you click on docs right here, it'll take a second and then it'll open up for you. Okay, so you can put number 1. And if you can't remember, you can go back and read the question by clicking on another tab at the top. Think about what normal routines Ishan and his family are doing during these times. You could either copy this and you can right click it. And you could paste it here, and then you can respond. Think about what normal activity. So, of course, I would make sure my response is at least 3 to 4 sentences with capital letters, punctuation, all of the things that we're looking for in class. Even though we're doing this stuff at home and we're getting to use computers more and more, we still want to make sure that we're giving our best, and we're not going to make it super easy for ourselves by just writing one sentence or typing one sentence. We want to make sure we're being very descriptive and detailed. So I would say 3 to 4 sentences with punctuation, capital letters. And then details. You guys know how I love those details, okay? So just for time's sake, I'm just gonna click turn in right there at the top, okay? And then say turn in. And then notice how my assignment popped up right here on the side, and then it's submitted. So that is one of the assignments that this student has completed. So say I wanted to go back and double check classwork, and then once I scroll down, it is now gray. So that is how you submit assignments onto Google Classroom. Please let me know if you have any questions.